Ever wondered what could possibly ail your fluffy, hopping friend? A variety of health problems could be impacting your rabbit, from benign, typical ones to serious, infrequently occurring ones. In this segment, we'll inform you about rabbit health, highlighting the diverse symptoms, causes, and probable remedies related to these ailments. We're focusing mainly on a severe affliction known as myxomatosis. This viral disease can have deadly consequences, possibly leading to your rabbit's demise. The symptoms are quite apparent, as they include significant swelling and inflammation, particularly around eyes, nose, and genital regions. Myxomatosis transmission occurs either through direct interaction with an infected rabbit or via insect vectors. The former can happen through close contact with a diseased rabbit, while the latter occurs when bugs like fleas or mosquitoes transport the virus from an ill rabbit to a healthy one. Given that myxomatosis can be lethal, prevention is critical, notably through vaccination. Timely vaccination can provide powerful immunity against this fatal disease, substantially reducing the chances of your rabbit contracting myxomatosis. If, unfortunately, your rabbit contracts myxomatosis, urgent veterinary care is absolutely vital. Even with prompt medical intervention, the prognosis is often poor, largely due to the harshness of this disease. Regular checkups, a healthy diet, and clean habitat can also lower the risk. Encouragingly, though, research is ongoing, and new treatments are continually being developed. Prevention remains key, however, and should be prioritized. If unfortunately your rabbit were to get myxomatosis, instant vet care becomes indispensable. Even with immediate medical help, the outlook is usually bleak, mostly due to the severe nature of this disease. It's a grim reality, stressing the need for prevention via vaccination. Next on our list is rabbit hemorrhagic disease, more commonly known by the term viral hemorrhagic disease. This term is widely recognized by veterinary doctors and rabbit owners globally. A highly infectious disease, it poses a severe risk, primarily to rabbits, leaving them susceptible to its potentially deadly impacts. As we dive deeper into its nature, we need to understand that it's not just a simple disease, but a deadly virus that doesn't discriminate, targeting rabbits of all breeds, ages, and sizes. The symptoms of this disease can initially be exceedingly subtle, often slipping under the radar until it's unfortunately too late. These symptoms might include a noticeable decrease in appetite, an uncommon state of lethargy, or a persisting high fever. It's vital for rabbit owners to be on high alert, closely monitoring their rabbit's behavior and physical health. In the most severe instances of rabbit hemorrhagic disease, situations can quickly take a turn for the worse. The most shocking element of this is its ability to cause sudden death without any preceding warning signs. This can be a devastating and heart-wrenching experience for those who are unprepared or unaware illness's severity. The ways this disease can be transmitted are diverse and often straightforward, adding to its hazardous nature. It can be spread with ease through direct contact with infected rabbits, introducing a risk to what may seem like healthy communities. Furthermore, it can also spread indirectly via their droppings or even through contaminated food and water supplies. To summarize, the key to safeguarding rabbits from this deadly disease lies in prevention. Vaccination proves to be the most effective preventive action, offering a defense against this potentially fatal virus. Regular visits to the vet can also aid in early detection and help control the spread of this disease. Thirdly, we have Encephalitozoon cuniculi, a microscopic parasite that can cause a wide range of symptoms in rabbits. This parasite is not immediately visible to the naked eye, as it operates on a microscopic level, silently infiltrating the host. The impacts, however, are far from minute. Encephalitozoon cuniculi carries with it a plethora of ominous symptoms that can severely compromise a rabbit's health and well-being. These symptoms are diverse, affecting various aspects of a rabbit's bodily functions and overall health. The most noticeable symptom is a head tilt. A rabbit infected with this parasite may start holding its head at an unusual angle, a clear external indicator of the internal havoc. The tilt isn't just an odd posture, but a sign of disruption in the rabbit's motor control and orientation, hinting at problems in the nervous system. Another symptom evident in infected rabbits is a loss of balance. This can be particularly distressing to witness as the rabbit struggles with simple movements, stumbles, and may even fall over. This symptom reveals that the parasite has infiltrated the rabbit's central nervous system, disrupting its equilibrium and coordination. Further, this microscopic menace can instigate kidney disease, creating internal damage that's not immediately apparent but can lead to severe complications. The kidneys, responsible for filtering waste from the blood, can be compromised, leading to toxicity and potentially fatal health problems. Sometimes the parasite can even cause blindness. This is a heartbreaking symptom, as it essentially robs the rabbit of one of its most important senses, leading to a significant reduction in the quality of its life. Transmission of encephalitozoon cuniculi occurs through the urine of infected rabbits, with others potentially contracting it by ingesting spores from the contaminated urine. Treatment involves a long-term course of medication, and in some cases supportive care like physiotherapy. Next, we encounter dental disease, a common affliction often caused by a diet low in hay and high in sugary treats. This common ailment among rabbits is a major concern for pet owners. It is a belief among many that a rabbit's diet should be filled with colorful, sweet treats. However, this is far from the truth. These sugary treats not only lead to obesity, but also to dental diseases. The excess sugar content in the diet leads to tooth decay and other dental problems. The high sugar content eats away at the rabbit's tooth enamel, causing cavities and other dental diseases. These dental issues, if left untreated, often escalate into severe health issues that can have devastating consequences. The symptoms of dental disease in rabbits are often subtle, but progressively troublesome. They include drooling, a clear sign that a rabbit is having trouble eating. This often goes hand in hand with difficulty eating, another key symptom. The rabbit might start eating less or take longer to eat, due to the discomfort in their mouth. This leads to another serious symptom: weight loss. Weight loss, especially if it's rapid, can be a clear indication of dental disease. The good news is that dental disease is treatable. Upon diagnosis, the treatment involves veterinary dental procedures. This could be as simple as removing the decayed tooth or as complex as performing a root canal. The prime objective is to ensure the rabbit is no longer in pain and can eat comfortably. Following the procedure, it's of utmost importance to change the rabbit's diet. This is where hay comes into play. High in fiber and low in sugar, hay helps grind down the rabbit's teeth, naturally promoting dental health. Hay should constitute the major part of a rabbit's diet, with treats given sparingly. Treatment involves veterinary dental procedures and a change in diet to include more hay, which helps grind down the rabbit's teeth naturally. Lastly, let's delve into the discussion of fly strike, a ghastly condition where flies lay their eggs directly on the skin or fur of your beloved bunny. Once deposited, these eggs soon hatch into voracious maggots, which then proceed to eat the rabbit's flesh. This isn't just a horrifying image, but a dangerous and potentially fatal condition for these gentle creatures. Primarily, this affliction is common during the hotter months, when flies are out in full force, seeking locations for their progeny. Now let's break down the symptoms. The first sign that a rabbit may be suffering from fly strike is a marked change in behavior. A usually active and playful rabbit may suddenly become restless, unable to settle or find comfort. This behavioral change can be subtle at first. If you notice your rabbit behaving unusually, it might be an early warning sign. Another symptom to be aware of is the loss of appetite. This is a clear indication that something is wrong, as rabbits are known for their healthy appetites. If your rabbit stops eating, it's a strong signal that it may be suffering from this condition. In addition, you might observe a drastic weight loss, which signifies that the situation is escalating. A third and unmistakable symptom, one that would alarm any rabbit owner, is a foul smell. This is due to the decay of the rabbit's flesh, eaten away by the maggots. The scent may be even more discernible if the infestation is severe, and this can act as a definite alert to seek immediate medical intervention for your rabbit. The optimal solution for fly strike is not treating it, rather it. Prevention is key in this case. Attention to cleanliness is of the utmost importance. Ensuring that both the rabbit and its environment are kept clean can drastically reduce the chances of this condition. Incorporating the use of fly repellents as part of your rabbit care routine can be a helpful measure in this regard. Lastly, regular checkups and monitoring your rabbit's behavior closely is paramount. The early detection of changes can be instrumental in preventing a full-blown case of fly strike. Prevention truly is the best form of cure when it comes to safeguarding your rabbit from this horrific condition. To recap, we've explored 5 common diseases that can affect rabbits: myxomatosis, rabbit hemorrhagic disease, encephalitozoon cuniculi, dental disease, and fly strike. Each of these diseases has unique symptoms, causes, and treatments. The most effective way to protect your rabbit is through regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, a balanced diet, and a clean living environment. It's important to remember that when it comes to rabbit health, prevention is always better than cure. So, stay vigilant and ensure your furry friend leads a happy, healthy life.